Hello guys, what's poppin' y'all? Today we are solving a problem called array leaders. So in this problem, we are given an array and we are asked to return the leader of the array. An element is a leader if it is greater than or equal to every element in its right side. Also, the last element is always a leader. So why is the brute force approach slow? The brute force approach uses nested loops which solves this problem in O of n square time. So we want to optimize it. So instead of checking each element with everything on right, we can start scanning from the right side. Why? Because we can keep track of the maximum element seen so far. So if current element is greater than or equal to maximum so far, it must be the leader. So now let's get to coding. So first we initialize n to store the length of the array, and then we declare an array result to store the leaders. Then we are using max right to start from the rightmost element of the array. Then we are adding the rightmost value to our result array because the rightmost value is always a leader, and then we are traversing throughout the entire array starting from n minus 1, stop at minus 1 and in step of minus 1. And then if the current element is greater than the maximum from the right, we assign the current element's value to the maxed right variable and then append it into the result array. And then we return the result in inverse order so that we get the result in the correct order, that is from the beginning to the end. So if we, n minus 2 is the fault. So if we run it now, the code is executed properly. So that's all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.